Well, in the animation process, what I like the most, it is hard to tell. I really like the picture in itself. I like illustration, so hello, my name is Marek Náprstek. I am from Prague, from FAMU, from the animation department. I'm studying in the 5th year and I'm here at Animateka with my bachelor's graduation film, Čím víc vím. How did I end up in the animation world? Well, first of all, I started training as a teacher. I studied French and English at the pedagogical faculty of Charles University in Prague, but I've always enjoyed drawing, and then I decided that it wasn't really what I wanted to do with my life, and I tried to apply to the animation department at FAMU, and that's how I got in touch with animation, and I've been doing animation ever since. My film, The More I Know, was based on an idea or a notion I had about living, and that is, the older I get, the less I understand what is happening. And I thought this might be common for all the people around me, and that's what I wanted to portray in it. And it's done in 2D digital animation. Well, in my film there's a lot of external inspiration. Well, before I started studying at FAMU, I thought that the artists were some people who invented new ideas, but I was taught that is not the case, that you only compress the ideas the others had before you and you use them to your own advantage. So with this film, I really freely adopted the visual styles of other people, so you can see many references in there. For example, MC Escher, which I quoted in several of the images, or Mikhail Deforge, who is an illustrator. He's been working on the Adventure Time series. So all of this visual style of new animation that's quite mainstream has influenced me. That's what I enjoy, and what I also enjoy about animation is the way how you can play with the movement. That there is a certain way how you can get from point A to point B. You can stick close to reality and do really what happens in there, or you can play with it, you can experiment. So the movement creation process is probably the most fun part for me. This is my first time at Animateka in Ljubljana, and I'm really enjoying it. Everyone was very nice when I came, and the atmosphere is really friendly. And also the discussions we've been having were really great, very inspiring. So I'm glad to be here. I also had a city tour in the morning, and I have to say I really enjoy the atmosphere of the place. So it's great.